Today we're looking at an MTD PolyPeel pipe and outlet peeler. This particular one is a 1-inch IPS, DR11 only. So just get a look at the tool. This is the little clamshell case that all the tools ship in. Quickly here we have a lot number engraved. We also have the main size engraved, so this says 1-inch IPS. This one is a DR11 only mandrel. So we have a version of this tool that ships with mandrels for specific DRs. We have another version that ships with a mandrel that covers all the DRs for that specific size. So this one happens to be a DR11. This, again, the silver part is the mandrel, black part we call the console, and then this gold part is the blade. The blade has 4 different cutting surfaces that you can take. So you can take this blade, insert out, and rotate it a quarter turn, and it gives you a new blade. So you can do that up to 3 times after you use the original blade. So to show you how this works, we're going to push the mandrel out. We have a piece of pipe that's already been prepped and has witness marks. So this, even though this looks threaded, it's actually not threaded. Those are just ridges to help it grip the pipe. So we're going to push this into the outlet, kind of like a stiffener on a mechanical fitting. And in the same way, this is actually going to act to stiffen the pipe as well. So if you have tubing that's out of round, this is going to bring that back into round while you peel. So if we push down here, you'll see that this blade arm lifts up. So we're going to take that tension off and move that little clip into that slot so that the blade can sit all the way down on the pipe. And from there, it's just as simple as turning the tool. So you can see the ribbon coming off the pipe. We're removing all of our marks that we made, so we know that our peeler's working. If you have an inspection program, you can also take this ribbon and measure it with a micrometer to make sure that it's removing between 7 and 10 thousandths of material, which is our industry standard guidance for removing pipe surface. So you can see we're already nearly to the end of our peel. So we'll just move these out of the way so you can see. So here we go, we're almost there. So that's finished, that's ready to be stabbed. So we're going to move this back. You can see that clip falls right back into place, and now our blade is off the pipe. We just pull that tool back out, get that pipe out of the way. So that's how the peeler works. And then for the blade, in order to replace that blade or to rotate it to a new cutting surface, we're just going to take this screw out, which is a Phillips head, standard Phillips head screw. Turn the tool over. The blade will come right out. So you can see that the hole in the blade is square, so it just indexes. So if I wanted to turn it, I'm just going to take it a quarter turn, drop it back down in the end of the tool, and replace the screw. So now we have a new cutting surface ready to go. Always keep in mind that these are super sharp. So that is a 1-inch IPS poly peeler, and we have these in stock available from 1/2-inch CTS through 2-inch IPS.